I'll show you a few times here how to tie a perfect sash bow. So you're going to take the left over the right and pull the left straight up. Take the right and loop it around your right pinky and pull it over to the right. Pull that left top piece down, wrap it around and pull it through the back. And that will give you a perfect sash bow every time. Now I'm happy to share some pointers and troubleshoot with you. Make sure you don't ever flip the bow or twist the ribbons. Let's do it again. Left over right. Bring that left piece up, straight up in the air, and the right piece straight down. Now bring your pinky from the right and pick up that bottom piece and bring that over to the right. Bring the top piece down over it and push it back behind and pull it through. Let's try one more time. Left over right. Pull the left one straight up and the right one straight down. Grab the bottom piece with your right pinky, swing it over to the right, making sure not to twist. Bring that top piece down and wrap it behind and tie your bow. Feel free to watch this as many times as you need to. And remember, you can also adjust the speeds in the settings on YouTube if you need to watch this in slow-mo. If this has helped save the day for you, please hit the like button and also hit subscribe so you don't lose track of me. Enjoy your event.